how to change OmeTV country in Android, or how to use VPN on OmeTV for your Android device. Now, in this video, I'll show you a couple of steps for you to be able to execute this kind of processes. So the very first thing that you want to do if you're going to be using it on a general basis on your Android device, you can either run the web version or via the application version of OmeTV on Google Play Store. To change your country is very simple. Once you log in, you should be able to see three options. Choose on country, and that's the time that we can choose your designated country or your preferred one. However, if you will be using a VPN, it will automatically allocated or relocated to a specific region where you set your VPN into, and it will automatically be synced on the country available on that application. And that's pretty much it. All I have to do before changing anything or update anything from the app or from the web version is make sure that you have saved them and make sure to lock the VPN address. And that is how you change OmeTV country in Android, and as well as using a VPN in OmeTV for Android.